Now we'll proceed some remaining numericals of exercise 9.1. And in my last segment I just gave you two questions for the assignment, question number 4 and question number 5. So today we'll finish question number 6. So let's start from question number 6. We are doing height and distance. As we all know, we are just discussed about angle of elevation and angle of depression. So keeping the concept of these two conditions, we have to sketch the diagram and we have to solve the numericals. So the question number 6 is given as a 1.5 meter tall boy is standing at some distance from 30 meter tall building. The angle of elevation from his eyes to the top of the building increases from 30 to 60 as he walks towards the building. So find the distance he walked towards the building. So that is the question. 1.5 meter tall boy is there. So let's represent a boy here. Question number 6. So this is what the position of the boy A, okay, and he is 1.5 meter tall. Now what is observing? He is observing a 30 meter high building. Somewhere here it is what? 30 meter. The total length of the building is what? 30 meter. And give the name of the building as PQ. Okay, PQ. Now what is saying that he is standing at some distance from 30 meter. So 30 meter means what? That is the total distance. Okay, so 30 meter tall building, it is a 30 meter tall building. The angle of elevation from his eyes to the top of the building increases from 30 to 60. Now the first angle is what? 30 degree. Okay, this is what the height of the boy. The first angle is 30 degree and then it is converting into 60 degree. So what you have to find out, as he walks toward the building, find the distance he walked toward the building. That how much distance he walked toward the building, that we have to find out. So it is A, give it B, clear. Let's and PQ, represent it R, clear. And then we have it is S. Okay, so this is what the height of boy actually. And if the building is 30 meter tall, so we have to take out initial height of PR, that is from where the boy is making the angle. So how we'll write here? We'll write that let the boy standing at where the boy is at point S initially, that is this is the point S, at point S, and from here he walks towards where the boy is walking. Can you see in the diagram? He walked towards the building and reached at point T. So after walking from S, he is reaching up to a point T. So he walks towards the building and reaching a point T. No doubt it will take time, but at least we have to do. So what you have to find out now, what is the height of building? It can be observed that what is the value of PR now. So can we say that total value of PQ is PR plus QR. So PQ is 30 and we don't know PR, but QR is what? QR is equal to the height of the boy. Okay, we can see a rectangle here, so it is 1.5. So 1.5. So therefore what is the value of PR now? This PR will be 30 minus 1.5 is equal to 28.5 meter. So that is a 28.5 or even 28.5 can also be written as 57/2. anyway you can write. That is what in terms of meter. Let's select the triangles quickly. So first we'll take triangle PAR. I will write here, considering triangle PAR. Can you see PAR here? We'll go for tan 30. So tan 30 is what? Tan 30 is opposite upon adjacent. So it will be PR upon AR. The value of tan 30 is 1 by root 3. So PR is what? 57 by 2. So take 2 in the denominator. And we don't know the value of AR. So AR will be as it is. So what is AR? If cross multiplication will be there, it is 57 root 3 upon 2 meters. We got PAR. Now we have another triangle PRB. So we'll write in triangle PRB. PRB we have tan 60. Tan 60 will be PR upon BR. So it is root 3 is equal to, once again the value of PR is what? 57 upon 2 BR. So what we can write here? We can write therefore BR is equal to 57 upon 2 root 3. So rationalize it by root 3. It is 57 root 3 2 into 3. So it will be something 19. It is 19 root 3 by 2. So we got AR and BR. The total value of AR and BR, and way to find out AB, that is how much distance he walked when the angle of incidence, angle of elevation increases from 30 to 60. So see, it is a collinear point. So we will write here, since AR is equal to AB plus BR. So the value of AR is 57 root 3 upon 2 is equal to, we have to find AB plus BR. What is the value of BR here? 19 by root 3 upon 2. Simply transfer towards the left side. It is AB is equal to 57 root 3 upon 2 minus 19 root 3 upon 2. So simply we have 38 root 3 upon 2. Cancel it. So this is the answer, 19 root 3 meters. Okay. So that is the boy walked how much distance? So the boy walked 19 root 3 meters towards the building. So this is what the solution, dear students. You can take a full view how to solve. First of all, whatever the height of the boy is there, we have to subtract from the total height, and then we will go for the value of triangles and then the remaining one. So read the statement very simply and very carefully, so at least you will get the idea that how to solve the question. Okay, so let's move for question number 7 then. Okay. Question number 7 is also one of the easiest question we are going to solve, and make a good practice of this chapter, application of trigonometry. It is question number 7. What is given that from a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the bottom and the top of a transmission tower fixed at the top of the 20 meter high building are 45 and 60 respectively. Find the height of the tower. Okay, from a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the bottom and the top of transmission tower fixed at the top of a 20 meter high building, okay, are 45 and 60. It means that suppose here B and C represent 20 meter high building, so AB represents the tower. So from the point on the ground, angle of elevation, that is for the top it is given as 60 and for the bottom it is given as 45. Clear? The total value is 60 and the bottom value is 45. So what you to find? We have to find the value of AB, that is this one. Clear? We have to find what? Height of the tower. So how to do this? Now we'll start that. Let AB represents tower and BC represents height of building. Now first of all we'll select triangle, right here D. In triangle BDC, can you see BDC? Simply we can write tan 45 is equal to perpendicular upon base BC upon CD. Tan 45 is 1, BC 20, CD. So we got the value of CD is equal to 20 meters. Okay, now we'll go for the whole triangle. We'll write in triangle ADC. In triangle ADC we have tan 60. Tan 60 is what? AC upon CD. AC upon CD. The value of tan 60 is root 3. AC is what? The total length of AB plus BC upon CD. So root 3 is equal to AB, we have to find out. BC is given 20 and here it is what? 20. Cross multiplication, 20 root 3 is equal to AB plus 20. So take 20 towards the left side. So we have AB is equal to 20 root 3 minus 20, or it can be written as AB is equal to 20 common, it is root 3 minus 1 meter. So that is our final answer. No need to substitute the value of root 3. So we'll write here, therefore height of transmission tower is 20 in bracket root 3 minus 1 meter. So dear students, this is the way to solve the numericals. So as usual, 4 and 5 are given homework. I solved 6 and 7. Clear? So now question number 8. This question I will make a diagram for you. Okay, and you have to solve from your own. Question number 8 is given as a statue 1.6 meter tall stands on the top of a pedestal. So suppose if this AB, or again BC is the pedestal. Okay, this is what the pedestal and statue is somewhere here. Okay, AB, it is what? 1.6 meter tall. So what you to find there? From a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of top of the statue is 60 and angle of elevation of the pedestal is 45. Means for this angle from here, the total angle is what? 60, and for the bottom the angle is what? 45. That is, whole angle is 60 and this bottom angle is what? 45. So what you to find? You have to find the height of pedestal. Okay, so how you will find the height of pedestal? It's very simple. First of all, we will take write down the observation of figure. I am just going for the solution because of lack of the time. In triangle BCD, I will select tan 45. So tan 45 is what? BC upon CD. So 1 BC upon CD. So therefore BC is equal to CD. At least we got BC is equal to CD. Now in triangle ACD. In triangle ACD, we have tan 60. Tan 60 is what? AC upon CD. What is the value of tan 60 now? Tan 60 is root 3 and the value of AC is what? AB plus BC upon CD. Clear? AB plus BC upon CD. But we know that BC is equal to CD. So root 3 is equal to 1.6 the value of AB and replace CD by BC. Cross multiplication is equal to 1.6 plus BC. Take BC this side, so it is root 3. BC minus BC is equal to 1.6. So BC common, it is root 3 minus 1 is equal to 1.6. So therefore BC is equal to 1.6 upon root 3 minus 1. Rationalize it by root 3 plus 1. So what we get, 1.6 into root 3 plus 1 upon a minus b, a plus b, it is root 3 whole square minus 1 whole square. So we have BC is equal to 1.6 root 3 plus 1 upon 3 minus 1. So it is 1.6 root 3 plus 1 upon 2. Cancel it, it is 0.8. So 0.8 root 3 plus 1 meter. That will be our final answer. That is the height of pedestal. Okay. This value is what? It is 0.8 in bracket root 3 plus 1 meter. Clear? So now one question I would like to refer you as an homework. Question number 11. Okay, I'm just writing here. You have to solve question number 11. So by this way, we will complete at least 4 questions in one segment. So in my next segment, we will go for 9, 10 and the remaining questions. Clear? So continue to prepare the notebook. Okay, and solve it along with each statement. For any query, you just ask me. I feel a lot of pleasure to help you. So take care of yourself, stay home, stay safe, and goodbye.